Hey guys, my lips are really dry, so I'm just gonna put on some chapstick really quickly for the sake of this video. Alright, we ready. Alright, hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If I'm talking low, it's because I don't want to interrupt my roommate. It's like very early in the morning and I'm giving you guys my skincare routine and also addressing a lot of the questions that I've been getting about my skin and if I'm still using the same products and all that stuff. This is just going to be an update because I haven't really updated y'all in a minute. And oh, wait a minute, let me just say thank you guys so much for 2,000 subscribers. I didn't even get to say thank you for 1,000 subscribers and it's like we're at over 2K. That's pretty cool. Yeah, so in today's video I'm gonna try to keep it as short as possible, but I'm gonna do like a get ready with me / skincare update because like I said, it's been a minute and I'm about to make some changes in my skincare routine, some very big changes, some scary changes, and I want to, as always, include y'all in everything that's going on. I literally just came out of the shower. Besides the chapstick, y'all just saw me put it on my lips. I have not done anything to my face at all for the morning. I also haven't done anything to my hair. So I'm going to be doing my hair and answering your questions and all that good stuff. But the first thing I want to do before I get into all of that is kind of just address the question of, is my routine still the same? Have I been doing the same things that I did in my videos from 2020? And the answer to that question is yes. Up until this point, I've only been using water to wash my face and using shea butter and bio oil. I did add vitamin E oil to my routine recently. Yeah, it's just been shea butter, bio oil, and vitamin E oil. Nothing else. No cleansers, no washes, no moisturizers, nothing. And in my past videos, actually, if you haven't seen the video on how I cleared my skin and also like the video of my skincare routine and the video addressing the questions that you guys asked me regarding my skin, I recommend watching all of them before you watch this, just for like context and to see more specifically what I did. But this video is going to be addressing what I'm doing now, not so much what I did to get rid of acne. I haven't struggled with acne in over a year, so things are about to start changing for me, and I don't focus on acne removal anymore for my skin because it's not an issue for me. So this video and the skincare routine I'm about to address in this video is going to be mentioning what I need for my skin right now, if that makes sense. So if you're here to learn more about acne removal and how to get rid of acne, I would recommend watching those videos before watching this one. In those videos, I mentioned how I can struggle with dry skin. Before I had acne, when I got acne, since I've gotten acne, like I've always had dry skin. That's just my skin type, and that's why I actually couldn't like totally only use water on my face. That's why I was using shea butter on my skin as well, is because I needed moisture. Like I just could not go without it, and I've been using the shea butter, like it's been fine. But recently I had a brand reach out to me to try one of their kits, like moisturizing kits for your skin, and I was actually kind of hesitant when they reached out to me because I was like, you know, I haven't used anything like this in years, and the last time I've used chemically processed products is when I struggle with acne, and I don't know like if it's gonna cause acne to come back, if I'm just being honest. So I was really hesitant to try it, but then I researched the brand and the particular products that I'm going to be using, they focus mainly on restoring moisture to your skin, and it advertises itself as an all-natural brand. So I was like, you know what, I'll give it a try. So yeah, that's kind of like the big news, I guess, is that I'm finally adding new products to my skincare routine, and they're made by Bolden. Their Instagram is Bolden USA if you want to check them out. I'll put the link to their website in the description box below. I'll be using their brightening moisturizer and also their glow hydrating mask. For the next 6 weeks, I'm going to try it out every single day and see how it works for me, see if moisture overall in my skin improves, because this is something that I feel like shea butter has definitely helped me with, but I just don't know if it could be better, if that makes sense. Like this is solely just me trying it out to see like what's gonna happen. I just don't know, you know. I'm going to be updating y'all and informing y'all on what it does for me on a weekly basis, or at least a bi-weekly basis. So if you want to get those regular updates, I would recommend following me on TikTok and following me on Instagram, because that's where I'm going to be posting more short like snippets of my skincare routine, and also just kind of updates of what my skin is going through with these new products. Now, I will still be using bio oil at nighttime, but besides that, I'm not going to use the shea butter whilst I'm trying this, and I'm not going to use the vitamin E oil whilst I'm trying this. So it's just going to be these two products along with my bio oil that has been like the OG since day one. But yeah, so I just wanted to inform you guys of that, and in this video I'm actually going to be showing you guys how I use these products and what the result is like right after I use them. And then I'm also just going to be doing my hair at the same time. That part's not going to be like detailed, but just because this is a get ready with me, and I want to show you guys how I do this, because I realize that y'all like to see, y'all be like, okay, what did you do though? Can you show me what you did? And I'm like, you know what, I got you. So before I put the mask on, because that's going to be the first step, I'm just going to pin my hair back. Also, if you guys want to see videos like tailored to my hair and that kind of stuff, let me know. I'm type 4. I don't know if it's A, B, C, D, E, F, G, because it's just too much letters and too many different, it's just too much for me. I don't really care for all that stuff. But I know that I'm type 4 for sure, and I can show you guys like more about my hair if you want to see it. But yeah, once I pin my hair back, I'm going to go in with the Glow, what's it called? Glow Hydrating Mask. So let me just take it out the box first. Look at y'all little ASMR. So this is what it looks like outside of the box. It's brown. I don't know what it smells like. It smells fine. This is what it looks like. It kind of looks like brown hair gel, like that brown hair gel. It doesn't dry on your skin, guys, which is like why I was really willing to give this a try, because I'm like, why would I use a face mask that's gonna dry on my skin if having dry skin is the issue? You know what I'm saying? So it's like, you know, those face masks that strip moisture from your skin, like that's what I used to use all the time when I first got acne, and they weren't it at all. But this one does not do that. Like, it doesn't dry on your skin. It's very much so like moisturizing and soft, which is why I was like, you know, I'll give it a try. Yeah, so once I put that on my face, you're supposed to let it sit for 15 minutes. So right now I'm just gonna set a timer on my phone. There you go. And whilst that's happening, I'm going to start to put my leave-in conditioner on my hair. I'm using the Mielle Organics leave-in conditioner. Finish like putting the products on my hair, and something that I like to do is to braid, like put 2 braids in the front hair. So I'm going to do that right now. But before I do that, I know some people are going to be asking me if my hair touched my face, and honestly it probably did. Like, I tried my best not to let like my hair touch my skin, but I am pretty sure my hair touches my face from time to time. Like, I'm human. But yeah, I'm gonna put these braids in my hair really quick. Actually, my 15-minute timer went off, so I'm gonna pin my hair back and rinse my face really quick off camera, and then I'm gonna show you guys the next step in my skincare routine, and then we're gonna finish off my hair after that. All right. I just rinsed off the mask. Whew. This is what my skin looks like afterwards. It's not dry which is great. We're not trying to have dry skin out here. And now I'm gonna go in with the brightening moisturizer with SPF 30, which I actually forgot to mention that I know a lot of y'all were asking me if I wear sunscreen, and the answer was no, just because I didn't really prioritize it for skincare, and I also just didn't know which one to use. But this has SPF 30 in it, which is so good, because now the answer to your question is yes, I do use a sunscreen and it's in my moisturizer, so it's 2-in-1, which is beautiful. So I'm just gonna pump a little bit of this out. I shouldn't have to use a lot of this. I don't know, like, how are you supposed to apply these stuff? Maybe I should have read the instructions. I don't know if SPF 30 is a lot or not. I just did an extra pump because we trying to be moisturized out here, you feel me? But yeah, like I said, I don't know if SPF 30 is a lot or not. I need to wax my lip. But yeah, this is my skin, so that's literally it. Like, I'm not doing anything after that. I am donezo with that. And now I'm just gonna put these braids in my hair. We're gonna do a quick transition. I really hope that transition worked, because if not, that would be funny. And this is what my hair looks like. Let me stop. I did not forget the most important step of any girl's day. You better lay your edges, sis. Your hairstyle ain't done until your edges are laid. So let's just, and like edges, when I lay my edges, that product definitely gets on my forehead, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie. It's white right now because of the Mayel and all that stuff, but the whiteness goes away. Lay, oh lay, oh lay, oh lay, oh lay, oh lay your edges, girl. Lay your edges tonight. Anyways, that's good enough. All right guys, honestly that is it for my morning routine, but I hope that this video was helpful. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you want to see more hair videos or skin, or honestly whatever you want, I can give it to you. But thanks so much for the subscriptions. I'm so excited to keep growing with y'all and getting to know y'all. I love y'all, and I'm out.